concrete?
That's concrete, baby.
Concrete.
Concrete. Funky concrete.
Concrete.
Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
She's mad.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick-ass boy. Damn.
No more. You bastard. You...
You're crazy.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Oh my God.
Still have your carrot. I have your carrot. Ah! Carrot. Ah!
Wait, hang on, stop. You don't want to do this. Listen, I've been a good boy. I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy. Don't do it. No.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the right corner, weighing in at 12 pounds, wearing white gloves and brown trunks, Maisie. And in the left corner, wearing browner trunks and also white gloves, Willow. Let's get ready. Is this all you guys do? This is all you do. Great.
I love you. Now you set my soul on fire.
My arms are small, my legs are small, my feet are small, my head's small, my eyes are small, my eyebrows small, my nose small, my mouth small.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.